Okay, class, so we have been dividing 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. Today we're bumping it up to our 4-digit numbers divided by 1 digit. So we are moving up to the thousands today. So I'm going to divide the number, let's see, 3,433 divided by 2. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to make my place value chart up to the thousands place. So I have thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. I'm going to create my number 3,433 with my dots in each place that represent that amount. So I'm going to get my highlighter and I'm going to pick a color for each place. So let's choose purple for our thousands, and I have 3 thousands. So I have 1, 2, 3 thousands. See, how about green for our hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds. 3 tens. And 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. I'm dividing 3,433 into 2 equal groups. So I'm going to split my model into 2 rows so I can make my array. So now I'm going to go by place starting in my thousands and split them into my 2 rows, as many as I can, until I have to regroup or see if I use them all. So I'm going to start with my thousands. I have 3 thousands, so I used 1, 2. I notice that I have 1 left over that I cannot split into 2 groups. So I'm going to circle that and I'm going to regroup it for 10 hundreds, since I know that 10 hundreds is the same as 1,000. So that 1,000 is turning into 10 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I had 4 hundreds, now I added 10, so altogether I have 14 hundreds. I'm going to split them into my 2 groups, as many as I can, as long as they are equal. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 hundreds. I used all of them. So I'm done with my hundreds and I have nothing to regroup to the tens because I used all of my hundreds. So now I'm going to go ahead and move over to my tens and I'm going to split those up into my 2 rows. So I have 3 tens here. So I have 10, 20. And then I notice that I have 1 10 left. So I'm going to have to take that 10 and regroup it over to the ones, since I cannot split it into my 2 groups evenly. So I'm going to go make 10 ones. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to split those up into my 2 rows as evenly as I can. So I notice I have 10 that I just added, and then I had 3. I'm thinking about something about that because I know that 10 plus 3 is 13. I'm thinking about if that's going to divide evenly into 2. So let's see what happens. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I notice that if I put 13, my groups will be uneven. Right now I have 6 in each group. And I notice that I have 1 left over that I cannot divide evenly. That is going to be called my remainder. Your remainder is what's left over. So now let's go find my answer for what I could divide evenly. So I'm going to start in my thousands. I was able to put 1,000 in each of my 2 rows. I was able to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hundreds in each row, 110 in each row, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones in each row. So all together, my answer was 1,716 with a remainder of 1 because I had that 1 left over that I could not divide evenly, which equals my remainder.